Good morning. Today is Saturday. It's 6:30 in the morning. That's 6:30, and I'm going for a walk with my dog. Come with us. It's a little bit cold this morning. The temperature is 9 degrees Celsius and it's quite dark because it's early. The streetlights are still on. I will film a bit more when it gets lighter. My dog's name is Perry. He likes to run down here. He also likes to swim in the river, but today it's quite cold, so I'm going to tell him to stay out of the water. The river is very loud. It rained yesterday, so there is lots of water. It's quieter here. The bridge behind me is a railway bridge, so trains travel over the top of the bridge. There's a beautiful waterfall down here, which is also very loud. I'm now walking alongside the canal. The difference between the canal and the river is that in the river, the water moves, but in the canal, the water is still. You can see here, the water is not moving. There are lots of boats here. Some people live on canal boats and some people take holidays here. It's very peaceful. I'm walking past a farm with a llama. Llamas are not very common in Britain. It's far more common to see sheep. I had to stop at the shop to buy some milk. Luckily, they open early. The opening time is 6 a.m. on Saturdays. I'm going home now. Join me next week for more easy, everyday English. Bye.